Hi, this is As you watching Mr. Answer on YouTube. In this video, we will learn how we can add user form or HTML form in our web page where the user will enter his first name, last name and submit. So here you can see this massive code for this small thing: first name, last name, submit. Here you can see, first of all, this is the basic HTML tag. You all know we have to start our HTML coding with this tag. And next we are in our body. So when we are in our body, this will everything that we show to the public. So body is everything. Inside the body, we have a heading. For example, we are making our viewers, our public, that you have to enter something. Here in the heading you can write anything, as here written already user forms. You can also write here your information, etc. anything. Next we are in the form tag. In the form tag you will use it and end it. You are starting your form tag here, you are starting your form tag here, and you are ending your form tag here, and inside this form you will write for this purpose. Here you can see in the starting form tab you have written action. Action is equal to, here you can see that in the course, action page.php. And the next we have label. We are using label for f name, first name, and label we are closing it. Then we are making a break. Next, the input type. Input type is equal to text id, first name, name is equal to first name, value. This is your, for example, name John. You can write here ans. This will be your last name. Ahmad, for example. Yeah, it is enough. Here you can see again we are starting our label last name for. This was the label for first name, and this is the label for the last name. And next we are writing here input values for. Then the input type is equal to submit, value is equal to submit. So what you are seeing these in the inside this course, in the front of value, these will the words will show on your web page. Next we are closing our form tag, and next we are closing our body as we have started it here, and next we are closing our HTML tag because we started HTML tag here. So let's copy this whole text, and we are going on our notepad. Paste it here, saving it. Open it. So here you can see this is your progress: first name, last name, submit. So gonna see you in the next video. We're again going for our code. Goodbye for now.